So hi everyone, good morning. I'm here in Call Mountain Resort right now, and I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna tour you here. This is located from Argao, Cebu City. So let's go. So here you're gonna see the entrance. Here this is the entrance, and also the the entrance of adult is 100, like 110 per head, and also the kids is 55. So we're gonna proceed here. There's a small like small museum, and yeah, they have monkey, they have snake, they have like big chicken. I'm gonna show you later. So, okay. So here, and my horse. This is my horse, guys. See it? And this is her per room. Every per room they have like 2,800. 2,800, that is the um they have aircon na, and 2 person only. So this side, guys. So this is the hall. If you have like event, birthday or wedding, this is a perfect venue to to um to uh to have an event. So here in the first inside, they have, I don't know, it's look like chicken, but this is my first time to show to what to see this, that chicken, but the tail it's long. I don't know what's the name of this. They don't have the name here. So gonna proceed here. The nice ambience, guys. The nice surrounding. I like here. And I hope I'm gonna stay here for like 1 week. So here, guys, this is her small swimming pool. I think this is for the kids, because this one is like 4 feet or 3 feet. And then in the other side, swimming pool, this is like this is a heart shape. Wait a minute. There's a lot of parabol here. This is heart shape, and also there is a snake, a small mountain, and also the mountain. Very nice here. I like here. If you wanna come here in the Philippines, guys, try here. Nice place. So proceed here. So this is the room. They have a four person here, and also uh, and also uh, it's 1,800 per room, guys. So if you have a baby with you, if you have a friend or family, you're gonna there's a lot of room here. If you want aircon, if you want not aircon, they have here. And also the surrounding. Look, the fog. Look at the fog here. I'm gonna show you. This is very nice. One of the place, guys. And the heart shape. And there's a lot of flowers here. And also the surrounding. So it's very nice surrounding. And also I'm gonna show you the small museum here. And thank you for watching, guys. Later.